Videos are for educational purposes only.
First, these tips are a great way to budget and save money while doing your nails at home. I'm going to show you how to size our nails so they fit perfectly. Now, using your affordable nail drill, remove the shine from the fake tips safely.
We were both young when I first saw you. I close my eyes and the flashback starts. I'm standing there on a balcony in summer air. See the lights, see the party, the ball gowns. See you make your way through the crowd and say hello. Little did I know that you were Romeo, you were throwing heaven.
Hey goddess babes, make sure you like, comment and subscribe to the channel video and leave a comment about nails. Now prep for your press on nails with your nail tips. Magnetic nail holder and adhesive putty.
It's been a while since I have even heard from you. And I should just tell you to leave, cause I know exactly where it leads, but I watch us go round and round each time. You got that daydream look in your eye, and I got that red lip classic thing that you like, and then we go crashing down. We come back every time, 'cause we never go out like that. We go crashing down. We come back every time, 'cause we never go out. We never go out. Take me out. Just take me out. Yeah, just take me out. Oh, you got that daydream look in your eye, and I got that red lip classic thing that you like, and then we go crashing down. We come back every time, 'cause we never go out of style. We never go out of style. You got that daydream look in your eye, and I got that red lip classic thing that you like, and then we go.
Grab a new alcohol wipe and remove the dust off of the nails. Hey goddess babes, make sure you like, comment and subscribe to the channel video and leave a comment about nails. This is going to be the affordable gel polish that we're going to be using today. Now, apply a thin layer of gel polish.
I know it's Nas, yo. Grey Goose and a whole lot of hydro. Only describe us as soldier survivors. Stay laced in the best, well dressed with finesse in the white tee, looking for wifey. Thug girl who fly and talk so nicely. Put her in the coupe so she can feel the nice breeze. We could drive through the city, no doubt, but don't say my car's topless. Say the titties is out. Newness, here's the anthem. Put your hand up that you shoot with, count your loot with. Push the pool stick in your new crib, same hand that you hoop with. Swing around like you stupid. King of the town, yeah, I've been that. You know I click clack, where you and your men's at. Through the smurf, through the.
Now, cure your press on nails for 60 seconds using your affordable salon quality UV nail lamp.
Look, you a slave to a pig.
Apply a second layer of gel polish.
Playboy, your time's up. Where them gangsters, where them dimes at.
Now, cure your press on nails for 60 seconds using your affordable salon quality UV nail lamp.
Down on the floor, let the back drop it down real low. Lady, but I'm dancing like a house.
She hungry.
Now, we are going to be using nail stickers for our simple nail art design.
Talk with a lecture, hall scripture. Applaud, bitch, shake that ass and get you drunk and pump on, get stumped on. I take the money and run. I'm a dog, should I fuck right in front of your son? If you ain't Doc, Missy and Meth, want me to
Tell the paparazzi get the lens right. Got the window downtown blown.
Now, we are going to be using rhinestones for our simple nail art design. Now apply a thin layer of nail rhinestone glue for nails. Now, cure your press on nails for 60 seconds using your affordable salon quality UV nail lamp. Now, cure your press on nails for 60 seconds using your affordable salon quality UV nail lamp. Now, apply a thin layer of gel top coat. Now, cure your press on nails for 60 seconds using your affordable salon quality UV nail lamp.